On today's special episode, I package up customer orders and my turmeric facial bars. I also spend time with my godson and make a pink sangria body soap that didn't quite come out as beautifully as I had hoped. All that and more coming up. I like to use electrical tape when I'm shipping my body butters and my sugar scrubs. I have found that the electrical tape is not only easy to remove, but I've had zero spillage on any items that I've shipped. And if you order your supplies from certain vendors like Wholesale Supplies Plus, Brambleberry, a lot of times they'll have their fragrance oils with electrical tape around them. I want to make sure that the product gets to the customer without spilling all of the packaging. That roll is gone. I like to line the package with tissue paper. So that order is packaged and out of the door. Next, I need to restock on my pink sangria body soaps. I think I'll go ahead and make 2 loads of those. I've got a display in a store in downtown Concord, and I have a lot of space that I need to fill up, and I don't have enough soaps or bath salts. I think I have a good enough amount of sugar scrubs and butters, but I think I've got a lot of making to do within the next 2 weeks. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started on that pink sangria body soap. I've been so busy lately that I feel like I'm getting behind on a lot of things. We've got the quarterly tax season that just passed. Then we've got the annual tax year that's coming up. I'm stocking my products in stores now, so I'm trying to keep up with that as well. And I'm just noticing that I'm having a really hard time just paying attention, I think, to my inventory. I track my inventory. I use Inventora, but I'm not really planning out what I need to make and comparing it to the ingredients that I have in stock, if that makes sense. And it's becoming really overwhelming and frustrating. For example, I'm out of nitrile gloves. I bought some nitrile gloves a few months ago, but they were too big, and now I'm out of the ones that fit me. So I have to use these in the meantime. I just have to figure out how to get my life together. Okay, so let me go ahead and gather all of my ingredients. I almost forgot my sleeves. That could have been really bad. oils and butters are melted, so I'm going to remove them from the heat and pour them into my room temperature oils and butters. It's my kaolin clay that's inside the bowl. It really doesn't dissolve too well. But once you start mixing with the immersion blender and the sonification process starts, then it kind of blends in really well with your soaps. We'll weigh out my fragrance oil. Let's check the temperature of our oils. 130. And let's check the temperature of our lye solution. 129. So it is safe to add the sodium lactate to our lye solution. So it's got a little bit more cooling down to do. I'm gonna go downstairs and see what Mason is up to. There he is. He's always having fun.
What's up?
What are you doing?
And a woman touching her lips together and shutting me up. I don't know what these niggas are, but
This is what I go through.
yeah. So, alright, y'all. So, like, we both own businesses, right? Alright. And I do a lot of my stuff over the phone. So sometimes, like, I'm actually doing an estimate over the phone and also looking at social media. And she used to give me these ill looks when I be over the phone. So I started sharing with her what I look at and what I'm doing over the phone as such in real time. And these are the responses that I get. She now understands I'm just a lost cause. I love it.
I'll probably just sit here for a little bit with Mason while he looks at Instagram, ways to be mean to your wife, until my soap is ready to pour. Oh, you made cinnamon rolls? I want a cinnamon roll. I just want a piece of a cinnamon roll. We are back upstairs and my oils and my lye solution has cooled down, so I'm going to start making my soap. spent time with my little ray of sunshine, I'm gonna go ahead and steam the top of these soaps. I'm gonna show you all how I get rid of that soda ash. Once I took a look at my soaps, I was so shocked on how much soda ash had developed on the top. But I thought I'd go ahead and try to steam it to see if I could get rid of it and just let it sit overnight. But in the meantime, on a brighter note, I went ahead and packaged up my turmeric, lemon, and clove facial bars, and they're up on the website now. They're actually going pretty fast. Good morning, everyone. I decided to wait until the next day to cut my soaps because I was a little bit preoccupied with my godson, my bundle of joy. So here are the soaps after they've been steamed and the soda ash is gone. The tops are nice and smooth. So now it's time to unmold these babies and cut them so they can start curing on my shelves. As I began to cut through my soaps, I noticed that the soda ash had caused discoloration to the top and the edges of my soaps. It was very disappointing. However, the middle of my soaps were a beautiful bright pink. I didn't want to throw the soaps away because they weren't pretty, so to speak. So I ended up cutting the tops and the edges of the soaps and giving them a nice rectangle shape. And while these aren't the normal shapes of my soaps, I've got an idea what to do with this batch.